I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the French Revolution. This pivotal period in European history, occurring in the late 18th century, brought about immense changes, fundamentally altering France's political landscape. We'll explore its origins, key events, and lasting impact. Understanding this revolution helps us grasp the development of modern political systems and the concept of citizen rights. It was a time of radical ideas and significant societal shifts that continue to resonate today. The revolution unfolded in several distinct phases, each marked by significant events. It began with the storming of the Bastille, a symbolic act of defiance against royal authority. This was followed by the establishment of a republic and a period of intense political purges, known as the Reign of Terror. Eventually, a more moderate government, the Directory, emerged, attempting to stabilize the nation after years of turmoil. The French Revolution left an indelible mark on the world, spreading revolutionary ideals across Europe and beyond. Concepts of liberty, equality, and fraternity became powerful forces, inspiring future movements for change. It also paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, who would dramatically reshape the continent. Its legacy includes the development of modern nationalism and the idea of popular sovereignty, influencing governance for centuries. Ultimately, the French Revolution concluded with the ascent of Napoleon Bonaparte, who consolidated power and established an empire, bringing a new chapter to France and Europe. Despite its tumultuous nature, the revolution's core principles of liberty and equality continue to resonate, inspiring democratic movements and human rights advocacy worldwide. It remains a powerful example of societal transformation. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.